the dark green one, that is for Evelyn.
Aww.
Oh! Be careful around the baby. You have to be careful around the baby.
What did you get?
What did Evelyn get? You got paper.
But no, I don't want the paper.
Get the burp again?
Aww.
Saw Blinky.
Did you make this?
His grandmother did.
Oh, really?
Wow.
There's a hat in there. Matching hat.
Aw, thank you. It's a little too small.
Is that right?
Hi.
Will it fit?
Does it fit? Oh, good. It does. Oh, it's like a perfect size. She's like, this is such a bad fashion thing to do.
More lights, Barry.
Hi,
Hit
sweetie.
that switch closest to Sally.
Hi. You see the baby? Yeah, it's a baby, huh? Hi.
Hey, sweetie, it's okay. It's okay. Thank you. Tell your grandmother. Thank you. She did this whole thing? Crochet? Crochet.
Yep.
Wow.
Okay, little girl.
You come sit with Daddy. Mwah.
Okay. Well, we could have moved everything. Somewhere.
Mommy's coming in.
Are we
Oliver's
keeping up
coming
with
in.
Evelyn first?
Oliver, you go
Oh, I
come
don't
sit
think
there.
it
We're
But
doing a little bit of everything.
Yeah,
It doesn't matter.
Aww.
Aww.
no, stay right here. Stay right here.
Whoa, look at that.
You're doing excellent.
Evelyn, look.
Stay right
This
here.
is for Ryan.
You want to open this?
Can I help open Evelyn's box, honey?
Yes, I do. I like this part.
Open the paper, okay?
Dad, you go for it. 2 hands.
See, he's starting to get the idea that when he opens this stuff, there's new things inside.
Cool, huh?
Open it up.
You want to hold her or something? No. Pick her up and take her. Grab the blanket and pull it over there.
Baby transfer.
Yay! Look at that.
Hey, hon. Be sure to do it for.
Can you get one for Oliver, baby?
Yeah. Oliver?
Oliver.
This is for you, honey. He's like, no, I want
Hi there.
Oliver, behind you.
Saw you. That's for Oliver.
Yeah.
Oliver, do you want to open this one? You want to open this one?
Riley, that's for Oliver to open.
Might need some help with that, huh? How can we do that? Oh, you know what? Let's take off this ribbon first.
Oh, she's going to that
Pull
right
that
there.
off first. Pull it really hard.
Are you doing lots of little clips?
Uncle Charles and Auntie
How
Dalla
do you do that?
put some tape on here, didn't they?
Like, catch this button.
Okay, I just don't want him to fall
That's
back
Stacy.
under her. Okay. There we go. I got it. There we go.
Okay. Okay. Want to be put back down?
There we go. We got it. Okay. Open that up. You open that up.
There we go.
Oh my goodness!
You gonna open this?
Oh, she can't appreciate it yet.
Do you want to open this?
Look at all your clothes.
Yes.
Aww.
Open it. Here. There you go.
Got it. There we go. Right
Yeah, get rid of that.
Generously sized. That's our baby. Generously sized. Aww.
Oh, look at this.
there. Nope, sit down.
Cute.
Sit down. Oh, good job.
Yay.
Sauce,
You gonna
squishy
read it?
bump.
You gonna read it?
Oh, no.
You wanna sit down and read it?
You say, I don't know. What's in this other thing?
Look how long that is.
Yeah.
That's for later.
Wow.
Better?
Thank you guys.
He's not interested in the book right now.
Nope.
I mean, I don't like that either.
Oliver, do you wanna open this one?
Do you have a diaper?
We already
I don't
changed
know,
it.
baby. I don't know.
like, Booby, I can see you have them.
Does it work?
Yeah, she's-
The well is dry, Mommy. The well is dry.
There's no milk for you.
Okay, that's good.
Uncle Charles, you might want to take her and walk her.
Walker?
Yeah, like put her on your shoulder and walk her.
No.
Just slightly bounce.
Oliver. Don't eat your shirt.
He's not in. He wants the puzzle. He's not in.
I know, he wants the puzzle.
Oliver.
There you go.
Whoa, Mother Goose. Cool. Who gave us these?
Uncle Charlie picked them
Aw,
out.
thank you. Oh, cool. The